The energy I see around, like the work which is displayed, it's tremendous. I am Veer Munshi. I am a visual artist. I think fantastic because the energy I see around, like the work which is displayed, it's tremendous. So much of work and so much of happening here around for this particular show at the display. And whatever I have seen here in this, it really blends between architecture and interior design. So it becomes a complete package for the student. And I think that's how the course is devised here, which is very different than you see as part of architecture differently and the interior differently. I think that's very good, and a lot of experimentation done with the materials, mediums, and the concepts and thoughts. And also many of the projects I saw is based on our heritage sites, and which their intervention into heritage site, how it could be, how it can be edited, how one can deal with it ecologically, environment in the environment they are in. So that's good. I think I liked it. I think they said how they went about it and how they researched about things and how they went close to the, and it opens their different world for when they go to interact with the physical spaces and try to do what they can do, and how they evolve and develop further into their course, into their future and in the future practice too. This to be so good and so large and so much happening and so much app. I think it was wonderful to visit you. At the student level, you should learn as much you can with the mediums, materials, concepts, skills. But when you practice, you got to keep in mind our own heritage and tradition, yet how modernism can blend with it. That's very important.